Welcome to our captivating exploration of one of Mother Nature's most electrifying phenomena, lightning. In this video titled, 8 Fascinating Facts About Lightning, we'll shed light on some surprising truths and debunk common myths about this awe-inspiring spectacle. From its terrific temperature to its powerful energy pack, prepare to be stunned by these electrifying facts. So buckle up as we journey through the bright and thunderous world of lightning, ready to illuminate your knowledge like never before. 1. Lightning is incredibly hot. When people think of heat, they often think of things like boiling water or a hot summer's day. However, lightning dwarfs these common perceptions of warmth. A single bolt can heat the surrounding air to a staggering 30,000 kelvins. For perspective, that's about 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. This intense temperature causes the rapid expansion of air, which, in turn, creates the characteristic sound of thunder. Imagine standing next to a giant oven set to maximum. That's a peek into the world of lightning. 2. Lightning is not always deadly. Getting struck by lightning is often associated with immediate danger and fatal outcomes. Yet, the reality is that roughly 90% of people who experience a lightning strike survive the ordeal. The survival goes to show that the body has ways to deflect potentially lethal outcomes. However, the experience doesn't come without consequences. Many survivors suffer long-term effects, such as memory loss or nerve damage. It's a stark reminder of nature's dual nature, both terrifying and somewhat forgiving. 3. A single bolt is packed with energy. It's easy to think of lightning as just a scary weather phenomenon, but it's actually a powerhouse of energy. An average lightning bolt contains enough energy to power a 100-watt light bulb for about 3 months. That's like flipping on a switch and never needing to turn your lights off. That said, capturing and storing this immense energy continues to perplex scientists and technologists. If harnessed properly, this could be a game-changer for renewable energy, but, for now, lightning keeps its mystery locked tightly within dazzling flashes. 4. Lightning strikes Earth frequently. Many might think of lightning as a rare spectacle, but it is exceedingly common across the globe. Lightning strikes Earth around 8 million times every single day. Breaking it down, that is approximately 100 strikes each second globally. So, the next time you watch a storm roll in, remember that you're witnessing just a tiny fraction of the constant electrical dance occurring worldwide. For anyone curious about where lightning might strike next, it's quite literally everywhere, all at once. 5. Lightning can strike the same place multiple times. Ever heard the saying, lightning never strikes the same place twice? In reality, it most certainly can. Tall structures, such as the Empire State Building and Burj Khalifa, act as natural lightning rods and attract bolts repeatedly each year. The reason lies in their height and the conductive materials they're made from, which make them perfect targets for discharging electrical energy during a storm. Rather than avoiding storms, these buildings take them head-on, almost like they're having a dance with nature's electricity. 6. There are different types of lightning. Most people are familiar with cloud-to-ground lightning, the kind that strikes down toward the earth. But the sky holds more surprises. Other types include cloud-to-cloud, intra-cloud, and the ethereal sprites, which are red flashes appearing above thunderstorms. Each exhibits unique characteristics and phenomena, making them a rich research subject for scientists and weather enthusiasts alike. The next time you see a flash, consider that what you're witnessing might have an entirely different story than the one you initially imagined. 7. Florida is the lightning capital of the U.S. If you're looking for the best lightning shows in the United States, head to Central Florida, especially around Tampa Bay. Dubbed Lightning Alley, this region experiences a high frequency of thunderstorms, particularly during the summer months. The climate and geographical location make it a hotspot for these atmospheric displays. Residents have come to expect the unpredictable summer storms, making them well-versed in the phenomenon. It's an electrifying claim to fame that the region holds, but it's not without its own risks. 8. Thunder and lightning are connected. There's a saying that some people have their heads in the clouds, and perhaps no expression is more apt when thinking about thunder and lightning. These natural events are deeply intertwined, with thunder existing as the audible companion to the visually arresting lightning. Thunder is a result of the rapid air expansion and contraction around the heating path of the lightning itself. Because light travels faster than sound, we see the blinding flash first, followed by the delayed, rolling rumble of thunder. It's a perfect example of how nature's elements are never alone but tied together in a synchronized performance.